Hey everyone, I'm Charlie Henley with Leer, and it was time to bug out today. This whole social distancing thing, I wanted to get out of town, get up to the old cabin, and be by myself. So I brought my quad. Who cares if I take a ride, right? So cool thing is Leer has been making hard folding covers and listening to what we need most. I show up, fold up, load up, lock this thing in place, load up my quad, and hit the highway. I'm traveling at highway speeds, and this thing is rock steady. Let me show you. This locking rod is positioned to the top of the cover. It's mounted into the frame. It's riveted. It's strong. It's secure. It didn't let this cover budge an inch. There was not a single wiggle or wimp out of that thing. It got me here and all the gear. Now it's time to take a ride. Let's get this thing unloaded. Get everything protected. Let's get this out of here. There we go. So while I'm out taking that ride, my valuables, all the extra gear for my gear bag, I'm going to lock that up in the cover. The lever helps me release that lock rod. The cover latches automatically as I close it. Locked, loaded, time to take that ride. If you're looking for a cover that lets you haul the big stuff and protect the small stuff, keeps all that valuable cargo out of your back seat and in the bed where it belongs, Leer has a great product, this HF350M, solid panels, secure, locks up with your tailgate. Get one on your truck. Find it at a Leer dealer near you.
Radco, your truck accessories pro.